I'm back with another video. Okay, I'm gonna be teaching you how to cough up cards, which is kind of gross because you can just go like, oh. And here's how. So what you need is a deck of cards. Well, not really a deck. We need about 10 cards. And what you do is you take those 10 cards. Well, I use about 10 cards because it's easier. And you just cup them like this. Thumb on the bottom, all 4 fingers on top. Like this. Either way you want it. I like using that going bottom because it comes out with the face. And what you do is when you cough up the cards, you go like, and you slowly bring your hand down. Look. It looks like you coughed out the cards, but you can go up to someone and go, hey. Your cards might get a little wet, but that's okay. I'm using an old deck because I have like 4 decks. Then you can be like, oh yeah, I still need one more. It's a little trick that you can do. You can creep out people with it. Go like. And what you really need to do, like once you get really good, you can use a whole deck, but I'm not that good, so. Some people do it a weird way. They cover the top like this and then cover the bottom and go like that. But I won't even teach you that. It's not. I could if you like it. Here, I'll just teach you this. Hold it like this, then like this. And when you bring it to your mouth, you slowly use your thumb to bring it, and you just slide it up so it's like. But this way, I think it's better. So yeah, I just had to cough up cards. Whoa. And yeah, bye guys, subscribe and like to my channel.